Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Pradesh Election Committee henne kasngi kalaya kendu banyakran ha kabaya dai ba kajing diet yaki kartong nakamta ke election shitang samai ha ki lightly ki constituency. Habakuran chakinong thok khubor unang yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma uletho baka PEC kalaya syong perkhat ban diet yaki kartong bat nakalyang ka PEC kalarai ban pha yaki karteng jong ki laingot sya ka All India Congress Committee ban yo ya kajing menjur.
Konsensi dok pan tiket hamni hapo moruknen don kebala pan mensua baka komiti swa ban nga ka komiti kala don kejing keren kala don kejing tho kala rai kala pas delhi swa ban manga nri dam don ru I we I ban tho sti sanga I ong ban ya keren te ni mentang I dang don meeting tengah khot iki chibije ngan kendo iki na po moruknen ban pensio thu I ke sistem bengidon ha parti nama bagi tre kanu ka kam ko bong pi khna bagi long bak parti kan tre lang jadi bandon ke sistem ngimla ban le kat bang amon lene it doesn't depend kam shong rahanga president the nation no candidate lene no ka don ke sistem ni hab yet kat kum ke sistem khna ba shakmat ro ka kanam create kanu ka presidents so ni yet kat kum sistem ngin persio thu iki na trai kam don jing er nda ni ya kran ki nan se kran bat ki nang ta hadin ka tangin sarai mantan dala dek kran bat ki ngin sa ngan sakren sedali in sarai ka ngasih orang ba ngadon nyidon ke jingkarmen namar ka wei ngadon jingkarmen namar ba ibri kala I komno gene sarkar kale ka ba ki candidate ki ba ni nyidon menta ki ndai ki candidate batmai ki dei candidate bala don ki ibri kala tip ka jinglong ka capacity ka capability jong ki kala don tan try ni ki jit ki candidate ki ba noi ka job karam ka shong ka ground ting ka by election kam shong tang ho candidate ni tang ha party ka shong ro ting ka jing pun pila I ki by election ki ba bon ki by election ka fair kum de kum ka general election te na try ka jing tre shi tom ro ka we on the ground te na kermen ba kum ba menta te ni complex ni don ka jing ki lenti ne ka ta ka nulak kum nung ide ban job ki election.
See, like I always tell you, Congress is larger than personalities. Opinions are very forthcoming in our party because we are democratic in nature. And in a democratic situation like the provisions of our own party constitution gives us that, space to discuss a lot of these issues. X person may be unhappy about something. He has the platform. But in this particular situation, let me tell you something. It is driven by other factors as well. You should not forget that in the, immediately after the announcement of the polls, suddenly there is this following of one of our members, and our opponents are obviously trying to cash in and distract the faith that the public have in our party. So we will prove it to them that we are united. You've seen, we had the election committee today. Nobody was absent, everybody was present. So when it comes to taking decisions and doing the work, we are unanimous. We may have our own opinions, but it's okay. So that's why many personalities are envious of our party, because we are given the opportunity to discuss and express our opinions.
So for these 3 vacancies, the Election Commission has already notified the election date, and therefore the PEC, the Pradesh Election Committee, has set today, which was chaired by the new PCC President, Mr. Vincent Pala. And the PEC had considered all the recommendations which have been forwarded by the concerned party units, meaning the Block Congress Committee, and subsequently also with all the inputs received from the respective District Congress Committee. Based on those inputs, after having scrutinized each and every application and the inputs furnished before the PEC has decided upon, at least as far as 2 of the candidates for 2 constituencies. For in respect of one of the constituencies, I will not like to name, the PEC wanted to get some more inputs and therefore deferred the final decision, which will be hopefully completed by today. before the evening. And after this whole exercise is completed, the names will be forwarded to AICC for the kind consideration of the Honorable Congress President. And once it is approved by the Honorable Congress President, then you will have the name and will be able to share with all of you. Thank you.